Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video I'm going to share with you 5 must-bring items for a river or a beach in Jamaica. So if you're interested in seeing these must-bring 5 items, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so the first item is a towel. I feel like when I go to river, I'm not the only one probably, I forget to bring a towel. So make sure when you're going to the river or beach, make sure you guys pack a towel just so you can dry off after. You can obviously sun dry as well, but in case anything, make sure you guys have your towel to dry off. Okay, so next thing is bug spray, okay? Especially if you're going to a river in Jamaica. This is for people who do and do not swim. You want to have bug spray on you just to make sure that mosquitoes or any type of bugs are repelled away from you while you're chilling out at the river or the beach in Jamaica. This is a must-bring item. The next item is portable speakers. Now, while you're at the beach or river, you want to jam out or play your favorite songs in the background. So this is a must-bring item just to bring a little bit more vibes. Everyone's having a good time listening to their favorite songs.
Drinks don't attach the way you got, but the time again, feeling like coming back to your love every night.
And I'll link everything down in the description box if any of you are interested. Okay, so the next thing that you want to bring is some money. You can go and buy drinks, you can go buy food, a little bit of snacks, or you can bring if you don't want to buy as well. So just bring a little bit of money just for emergencies. Maybe if you want to buy food, and you can go ahead and spend that. And another thing is water. Bring water or juice or anything like that just to pack for the river or the beach, because we do get dehydrated after swimming. Okay, so next thing is bring your hygiene products. And I just put all my hygiene products in this pouch here. Def must bring. And you're going to need your hygiene things just to freshen up. I'm going to show you guys what I have in this hygiene pouch here. Okay, so the first thing that you want to bring is lotion, because after swimming, your skin is going to want some moisture and you don't want to look ashy. The lotion is a def bring, and this is just my travel size lotion, and as you can see, I have used this out a lot. Next thing you want to bring is your deodorant. I feel like everyone forgets this. You want to bring your deodorant just to freshen up so you can smell good after swimming, because you do sweat a lot. And the next thing is perfume. I just want to freshen up and put some perfume on me, and I just have my travel size perfume just to bring to the river or beach. Okay, next thing is portable charger. Definitely recommend this, and you just want to make sure all your things are charged. If your speaker dies, you have a portable charger. If your phone dies, you have a portable charger. So I definitely recommend bringing a portable charger when you're going to the river or the beach, so everyone is secured who is with you. So once you have packed all these 5 items, you're ready to go. Well, that's it for today's video. Comment down below your must-have item for a river or a beach in Jamaica. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.